Hey everyone, so we are continuing with our revision series of the subject life skills. Today we are going to see module 4, important topics in module 4 and how to answer them. This is for S4 Civil, EEE and AC students. I am Ruzaita Rahim, Assistant Professor in the MBA Department of Srinaran Institute of Technology, Adur. So important highlights of this video or presentation will be the important topics in the module, brief description on how to write, and finally the link to the university notes at the end of the video. Important topics. So in this module, we are looking more into the philosophical part of theories of ethics, values, and certain things that are very important to life skills. It's not just about learning certain professional terms. It's more about how we can learn about being a better human being. So all these things, morality is touching on moralities, values and ethics, and moral autonomy. Certain terms are like that. So we have to learn them. Okay, so first of all, certain definitions of morality, values, ethics, integrity, all these are been given in the notes. Please go through that. So the definition of values, ethics, integrity, morality. When you write the answers, please keep it in your mind that certain terms, certain important terms in the sentence are very important. So learn those terms and use them properly. Because when the evaluator is looking into the answer sheets, that person has an answer key, and accordingly in that answer key there will be certain terms, and if the terms are included only, they will give you the answer, the marks. So please study those important terms when you write the answer. So you can write it in your own words, but include those terms. Then commitment, types of commitment. We have seen that different types of commitment when people are working, the different types of commitment, why do they work in the first place, and how commitment is there. Okay, so types of commitments, please learn that. Meaning of empathy, it's not sympathy, it's empathy. Difference between sympathy and empathy we have already seen in the class. Once again I'll tell you, empathy means you're not feeling sorry for a person, but you're putting yourself in that person's shoes. Okay, you're understanding the problems and the worries, the issues of the other person, but you're not sympathizing with the person. Okay, for example, you see an old man crossing the road, and you just allow the person to cross the road instead of saying, oh, that person is old, oh, he cannot cross. That is not empathy. You giving priority to others and understanding their feelings and emotions is known as empathy. Traits of confidence. So the different traits of confidence, how you can be confident, self-efficacy and self-esteem. These are the two words, two terms in confidence. Self-efficacy means being efficient on your own. You can do things by your own. Okay, self-esteem means you're having a respect for yourself. That is self-esteem, right? So understand those two. When these two terms combine with each other, only then you'll find confidence, self-confidence. Then we have census of engineering ethics. When you say census of engineering ethics, it's more to do with ethical theories. So I have given you a video on ethical theories, describing what are normative ethics, what are descriptive ethics, consequential, non-consequential, certain terms associated with that. Please understand those terms. And when you have a question on census of engineering ethics, you have to write how engineers can think normatively, how they can think descriptively. Okay, so that is also there in your notes. Next topic is moral autonomy. Moral autonomy, when we say moral autonomy, it means how you can take decisions, moral decisions on your own without an external pressure or by influence of any other rules and regulations. Okay, that is moral autonomy. You're exercising certain power on your own to take moral decisions. Okay, so that means you are doing what you think is right without any influence, outside influence, or influence of your culture or religion or whatever it is. Next important topic is Kohlberg's theory of moral development. We have seen the 3 levels are there, 6 stages are there. Learn them thoroughly and don't mix up the stages or the levels. If you mix it up, then the entire thing is going to go down. So you will get no marks if you mix up the levels. So clearly learn the levels and the stages inside. Okay, so when you learn the level, You also learn the stages properly. If it is a 6 marks question or 8 marks question, write entire thing elaborately. Always draw the diagram or the tabular column and then write the description. Always look into the marks and then write. Okay. Carroll Gilligan's theory is comparatively smaller than Kohlberg's theory. There are two um, um, sub areas in Carroll Gilligan's theory. Write that also. One is based on morality, justice based, and the other one is a scare based. So write that. Engineers' professional roles. When this question comes, you have 6 to 7 roles of engineers in professional roles. Also, you can write the role of engineers as managers, as consultants, as advisors. All these things you can write. Okay, so again, I want to tell you, look into the marks. How much marks have been given to the question. If specifically they are asking what is the role of engineer as a manager, write that only. But when you write that, give examples also. Okay, next one are ethical theories. Already I told you, normative ethics, descriptive ethics, consequential, non-consequential. Inside that you have ethical egoism, utilitarianism, ethical altruism. All these terms have to be learned, right? Learn them properly and then write. Environmental ethics, very important. This question has been asked previously. What is environmental ethics? The role of engineer in environmental ethics. Again, how environment is to be looked into, taken care of. We should not use send pollutants into the water. We have to control the pollution. All those things you can write that. It's very simple. Computer ethics, again, hacking. Issues like hacking and spamming, all those things are there. Please go through your notes. The entire thing is given in your notes. Go through that and write. And also when you write these, please write examples also. Again, engineers as consultants, engineers as managers. Challenger case study is being given in your module just to understand how to write case studies. It's an elaborate case study. This kind of elaborate case study will not come for your university exam, but they will give you a shorter version, which I have given you in the video. Please go through the video of Challenger case study and then analyze. When you get a case study, please read the case study at least 3 times, analyze the case study and then write. So when you get the questions, go through the questions carefully. Again, you have to go through the questions 1 or 2 times, then read the case study again 3 times minimum and then write the answers. Fine. Finally, we'll see the link. This is the link, online link given for your notes. If you click onto the link, it will take you to the site where the notes of this module 4 has been given. Okay guys, I hope you have understood the important topics. Any doubts, please ask me. Thank you.